Hi everyone, today I have this unboxing to show you, and the reason I've got this particular product is because my previous Corsair, I think HD model 140 size and millimeter size, became slightly faulty, started to make a slight bit of noise, and they're larger size ones, so 140 is quite large than the 120 that normally people use, so it'll be a bit noisy, but I'm not sure of this one how good it is. They're replaced, they don't make the HD ones anymore, so they sort of sent me a replacement, which is the SP140. Now SP140 has been well rated by quite a few people in the reviewing community, so I just wanted to see how well they operate. So I'm going to replace my old ones with these ones, and I'm doing another video where I'm actually doing the cable tidying, putting a power supply on to my old machine. I'm also going to replace and put these fans on with the, you've got the iCUE compatibility as well. So therefore you all have the RGB colors all flashing and singing and dancing, you could call it. Now looking at the back here, I can straight away see that it's, the size are all on there. Maximum airflow 62 CFM. And it's got a speed of 1150 RPM, plus or minus 10%. Maximum sound level, that's this interesting one. It says 26 decibel. So basically it's a 3-pin, it says 3-pin connection cable, 3-pin. That's strange. Okay, we'll open it up and have a look now anyway. So there's two fans in there, inside here. So it's the fan kit. Normally you can get the single fan for about £16, £17. This is a dual fan, and I think there's shortage of fans, of course, because they were hard to get hold of, and I think they're selling it for about £39.99 in UK pounds. So there's two of them in here, so let's open it up and have a look to see what they're like. So when I put these on my new machine, what I'll try to do, if you watch the other video, I'll try to give you a level for my speakers, so my mic can pick up the sound. I will demonstrate to you how loud they can be with three. I mean, I've got quite a few fans in that machine, so I'll show you how many we've got, and you'll see all that. So that's when I finished making that, I'll put that up straight away, and you can have a look at that. So keep your eyes open for that. And you'll see these fans in action there as well. And I will still have one HD fan that I've got there, and you can compare the two. So the comparison will be there between the two. Now this one comes with the, what's it called, the Node, I think the Node Pro or something like that, Performance RGB. It does come with, it's called, what is it called? RGB Pro, Performance RGB. Anyway, I'll show you what it is in a second. It's the Lightning Node Core. That's what it comes with. So this probably has all the little gumph, as I call it. So this is the Lightning Node Core. And you can see it's got the screws for the fan, but it gives you 4 there. Should be more. There should be 8 screws, some information, and all the paperwork that you normally get. I mean, if you know how to connect this up, it shouldn't be that hard to put on, but they are complicated. So with the Node here, I'm not sure how this one operates, because this seems to be directly, you can put the RGB fans for the color straight. So this controls the color as far as I know, unless, let me have a look at the fan. So look at the fan now. So there's 2 of these, one there. I'll put the box to the side here. You can see the box. So, and come to these, 2 of these, and you've got the paperwork there. So let's have a look at what the connections are like. I think that's what you probably want to know. Your 3-pin or your 4-pin. So normally they come with 2 wires. One of them will be for the RGB color, which is controlled by the node here. I don't probably need this because I've already got one of these, or because I've already got the previous fan, so I'll probably connect this up. So as you can see, to the RGB Hub, and this is the RGB Hub, also known as. It has the SATA cable, and it's got the USB. So I think one does the power and one does the control. So I'm not sure why there is 2, but we'll have a quick look at this. Having looked at the instruction here, it's quite simple. You basically put the fan where it needs to go, and then you've got the node core which connects to the USB inside the motherboard. It says it needs to do that as well as having SATA power. So I don't understand why there's two, because with the two wires, this one here with the RGB will go into this. This will either go into your Commander Pro, which I have, and also I can connect directly to the motherboard. So I'm assuming this is the controlling of the speed, and that's for the color and RGB. So I don't understand, unless you don't have the Commander Pro, I'm assuming this will take control from the USB is used to control the basically the color from the iCUE, iCUE whatever, yeah, iCUE software that comes with Corsair. So that's how it operates. So this has got the power for this. This goes into the USB in your motherboard, and make sure you follow the instruction of the motherboard where to put it to, and it goes in certain ways. And this will allow the software that Corsair comes with, and that will control your color and stuff. And all the speed will be, you know, with the new motherboard, you can connect this up and they'll control how much you want to use. So this is basically the unboxing. As you can see, the fan itself, only thing I will say is my HD model, which I'm not happy about on this one, to be honest. I think it's a lower model for some reason, because my HD had the rubber on here, and what the rubber does, the rubber in here allows it to soften the vibration so it doesn't go onto the case, because they are big fans and they will make a lot of noise. And one side is a pull, one side is a push out, so you've got to be careful of that, which way is in. So as you can see, it spins that way, there's an arrow on there, and the airflow goes from the front to the back. That's all you got to remember. But as I said, I will be installing this onto my old PC, replacing the HD model. Not quite happy with the fact that they don't come with the rubber bits on here that stops the vibration if there are any. But I'll figure something out for that, and we'll see how it operates, and I'll show you a demonstration of how well it operates as well. So what is to come on my next video will be installation of my PSU, which is the Corsair 850X. So if you want to keep your eyes open for that, you'll come on, or please subscribe and you'll see that. And also I'll show you how difficult it is to cable manage a case, which is, you know, quite difficult as it is, especially when there's not enough space. And also I'll have these installed on there as well. You can see how they operate. So if you want to see how they're operating, to watch that video, I'm afraid. I haven't done it yet. When it's done, I'll put it on there straight away. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in unboxing. But these do look nice, and the color itself, only thing I would say is black, while my HD was more white, sort of see-through, surrounding with few black bits on the side of the little cushion, sort of rubber seals on there, stops the vibration. That's the only difference I could tell. Apart from that, I hope you understood how the node core works. I think you don't need the Commander Pro if you're going to be using the motherboard with this. So this is quite useful to have, and you can put it on anywhere you like. And as I said, I might not need this. I'm going to use it for my other machine. It'll be quite nice. All right, thank you for watching, and take care. And I hope you enjoy this.